When we first saw this place in 2018, we didn't just see trash, rodents, crumbling walls, broken doors or windows, or pure abandonment. What we saw was a wasted space where the Chinese community once called home, and thus began the journey of Kwai Chai Hong. We have but one aim, and that's to bring people back. By that, we mean anyone and everyone back to Kwai Chai Hong. Within a year, our dreams came true. So many people came from near and far to reconnect with the past, its history, traditions, and culture. This was quickly followed by the concerted efforts from the businesses and community as more and more joined hands to take advantage of this spike in traffic. Kwai Chai Hong might be well known for being an Instagrammable back alley, but would like to think that we are that little spark that ignites the potential this space can bring. And all it took were 5 naive, unqualified friends to revive a dilapidated heritage space so that everyone can enjoy the space freely. With much encouragement and despite the pandemic, we haven't stopped doing more and more and more. Our humble efforts have proven that no matter how insignificant we think we are, anyone can give first. Do it for the sake of the space and the community, and with their support in return comes sustainability. To the organizer, Next Door Property and Think City, and to the esteemed judges and sponsors, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for this encouragement and the recognition with this prestigious Placemaker Awards Asea 2021. We are truly humbled, and we promise to continue to give first and hope to inspire others to do the same. And in true Kwai Chai Hong spirit,
衷心感激大家對貴仔巷嘅支持，我哋會將貴仔巷做得更好。多謝，祝大家心想事成，身體健康。